Welcome to Math with Mrs. Cox. We're on Chapter 8, Lesson 2, page number 561. We're going to do the greatest common factor. As you can see, I've started out here already, and we're going to do 30. 30, we have 1 and 30. 2, 15, 3, 10, 4 will not, but 5 and 6 will, 7, 8. Nope, okay, that's our factors. So if you look at that list, what is our greatest common factor? I like doing that in red. Thank you very much. Yep, 3. Now, if you're going to do that same problem using the factor tree, it's prime factorization as what they did up here, it would look like this. We could do 21. We have 3 and 7, right? And then we could also do 30, 3 and 10, 2 and 5. So then the prime factorization of 21 would be 3 and 7, and of 30 we would have 2.3.5. Then what they would have you do is look for the greatest one among both those, and it's 3. So you see there's two strategies to get the GCF. I just like to do the rainbow method better. You decide. Okay, number 2, we have 12, 30, and 72. Okay, figure this out on 12. We have 1 and 12, 2 and 6. And then we have 3 and 4. There we go. 30, we just did 30 over here, so we can borrow those numbers for this. Here's the factored lineup for 12, 30, and 72. As you can see, the numbers that are similar through all these friends are 6. Number 3, a store sells bottles of juice in equal sizes. Garth bought 18, Rico bought 36, and Mai bought 45. What is the greatest number, or GCF, greatest common factor? And how many boxes did each person buy if the box contained the greatest number possible? Ooh, this is going to be a fun one. Okay, so let's give us some room. We need to do 18, 36, and 45. Okay, so let's work on this right here. 18. We have 1 and 18, 2, 9, 3 and 6, 4, 5, 6. Yep, those were our factors right there. Okay, 36. We have 1 and 36, and then 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, and 9. 5 will not go into it. 6 will, though. There you go. Okay, number 3. We have the greatest common factor that we need to find out from these 3 numbers. So if we look, the greatest common factor is 9. Very good. So how many bottles are in each box? 9 bottles. Then it's asking, how many boxes did each person buy if each box contained the greatest number of bottles possible? Garth bought 18. So we take Garth, and if there's 18 bottles in his box, 9 bottles in his box, and he has 18, he had 2 boxes. We can do that by doing 18 divided by 9 equals 2. Okay. Then the next person we have is Rico. And he had 36 bottles. So if we think about that, that's 4 boxes. And we do 36. I can write that a little later. Divided by 9 is 4. Then our final person, Mai, 45 bottles. So his answer would be he bought 5 boxes. We figured that out by going 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Okay, goodness sakes, did we answer all of that? How many boxes did each person buy if each... Okay, yep, we did. There you go. Brain builders. Justify conclusions. The greatest common factor of any 2 even numbers is always even. Determine whether the statement is true or false. If true, explain why. If false, explain. Circle the correct term that makes the sentence true. The greatest of the common factors of 2 or more numbers is the greatest common factor of the numbers. Number 6, Jeremiah will give away all of his sporting cards to a number of his friends. What is the greatest number of friends he can give his cards to so that each friend will receive an equal number of baseball and football cards? Okay, so now we need to figure out the factors. So we have 32 and 24. 1 and 32. 2 and 16. 3 won't go into it. 4. 8. 5. Nope. See, 2 divided by. Nope. Those are our factors. So 24. We have 1 and 24. 2 and 12. 3 and 8. Okay, greatest common factor that we have among both of these would be, 8. All right, ladies and gentlemen, turn your paper in.